Hey crafty cuties, today we are at Craft Warehouse. I'm hoping to heck that we will find some cute stuff. So let's go in. Alright, Craft Warehouse usually has the newest Tim Holtz, like the first. So, oh, okay. These look new to me. These are the vignette prints, and I don't really even remember what all is new in this collection. But these are really cute for home decor. Cute milk caps. Alright guys, we found some of the new things. Fun. Those are really cute. Although you could go to Feed the Birdies and get some actual vintage milk caps, I bet. Collage paper. What do you use collage paper for? This is really pretty. I guess you could use it in art journaling, maybe different home decor projects. I don't know, tell me. But ooh, I like. I'm curious. I guess maybe you can use it for like decoupage. Alright, let's see. Here are some of the new Distress blending brushes. This is something that I was pretty interested in. They looked really cool. That's a matte. They have the new travel stamp platforms.
Okay, I'll send you the picture.
They have a really nice area for Bible journaling if you are into that. This looks like it's creative devotion. Super cute. Like, look at the washi tapes. Ooh, I've heard really good things about these. I don't think they're new, but yeah, probably not since they're on sale, but they look really cool for bullet journaling, which I haven't done in a long time. They have some super cute beachy things here. This is Kaiser Craft Beach Shack. Graphic 45. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. Yes, I think this is one of the best craft stores, especially after searching for newer stuff, and this is the only place that has like the newest, latest stuff. But look how cute this is. So it's like a shadow box, and I love that they have little setups here to show you what you can make with the paper collections other than just like, you know, a journal or something like that. But look how cute. The little girl is actually like throwing down some real sand. And then there's sand down here. This would be so cute even if you wanted to add a picture, like, and make it kind of a scrapbook layout, you know, kind of like this one, but have it as decor. That would be so cute. They have one down here, and it looks like this might have fallen off, but this one has like lights. I don't know how to turn them on though. I wish I did. I can see there's some little lights in there, so that's super cute. Another Graphic 45 area. This is a really pretty floral pack by Graphic 45. Let's see.
Crystal call 20 please. Crystal call 20.
So they have all those prints right there. This would be a good one to get and maybe use for making tags or something, just something kind of generic, but maybe for like a floral journal or something like that, project, whatever. They have Jane Davenport here, and I know that some of these watercolor sets are a little bit newer. So they have those. These are really cute, and hey, 30% off. Look at all of these inks. These are really cool washi tapes that my friend Jessica, who works here, was just showing me. But look how cute they are. They have all kinds of different kind of watercolory. This is a really pretty collection by Kaiser Craft. Misty Mountains. There's what some of the prints look like. Really pretty. Here's a little embellishment pack. Ooh, these washi tapes are super pretty because they're really foiled. And then here's a really pretty spring paper line. Cartabella. They usually always have the single papers out here that you can buy, which I really like since it's all together. And that way, if you don't want the whole paper pad, you just want one, it's just all right here for you. Let's take a look at the ephemera. Yep, super cute. Be fun to make a garden journal. Nice. And then, oh, here we go. So here is the Tim Holtz stamping platform. Seems really well made, so that's cool. I'm kind of wanting to get these, but I think I'm gonna hold off right now. Here's a guillotine trimmer, $49.99. Wow, that is a huge glass media mat and not a bad price at all. And every color you could ever need of the Distress Oxide inks. I am slowly getting my collection up here, but I haven't really used them a lot. So let me know what your guys' favorite way to use Distress Oxides are. I like this right here. I want to make tags like that. That would be good. Alright guys, that was my craft warehouse shop with me. Believe it or not, I didn't buy anything. I wanted a few things and I might regret not picking up some of the newer Tim Holtz. I wanted like the collage papers and those blending brushes, but my craft area is so horrible and so just like overpacked that I have promised myself that I need to clean that up before I start buying anything new. Yeah, it's just too much and I'm not going to have anywhere to put new stuff. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this shop with me. I know that Craft Warehouse is not everywhere. I think it might just be in Oregon and Washington, and I don't really think that they have an online shop. But if you're in the area, then you know that you've got to come here. This one's in Gresham, kind of like Portland, Oregon, and it's amazing. It's a really, really nice craft store, and my friend Jessica works here, so if you are seeing this, hello. She always shows me like the latest stuff that they have, and she's super creative and just a fun girl. So anyways guys, I'll see you later. Have a good day. Bye.